I have a quick demo. Let me find, here we go. So yay, now you do not need to make 10 copies of the same dashboard for them to have different filter values. You can now set your filter values in this panel here, and it just works.
Nice.
That's
Is
it.
the idea that these
Woo!
is the idea that these get layered on top of the dashboard filters, or that they're used instead of the dashboard filters?
They get combined with the dashboard filters. So your schedule filter will overwrite the dashboard filter. Or is it? There it is. There she is, all filtered.
Nice.
Yeah, and then if you delete your filter from your dashboard, it'll also go in and delete it from the schedule if you've set a different value for that filter in there.
Awesome. This is huge. We have so many people that are copying dashboards to schedule them right now. That will be very, very happy.
When do we expect it live for customers to use, Alyssa?
I've tagged some people to review my pull requests, so whenever that is completed.
Next week. I know we had Annika and folks. I know we've had some like high prior. I can't remember off the top of my head the customers, but we should reach out next week. Let them know when it's available.
The other cool thing is that like you can change hidden filters in the schedule so that like you can have set stuff up so that you can set the filter values, but they don't have to like appear in the dashboard at all. So you can control it very, very cleanly, I think, if you have like external stuff.
Alyssa, or I guess this is just a general thing. Do schedules hit the cache? Do we have control over whether they hit the cache?
They skip cache.
They skip cache. Could we make them hit the cache if we wanted to?
Probably.
Okay.
I don't see any reason why not.
I'm just going like
Maybe
9
they're
steps
supported.
forward down to bursting, where we could like build a cube for all the permutations of the filters, and then we could set up 1,000 of these. And rather than hitting the database for every single one of those, we could actually hit the cube. And
Yeah, I mean,
that would be very magical.
I've kind of been thinking a little bit about things like this in related to the query limiting work that I'm thinking about, and maybe even making that like an explicit thing where the cube build is actually part of the schedule, and that part doesn't hit the cache, and then the actual requeries would then be part of hitting that cube or something like that. But yeah, definitely challenge, but I would love to see it happen.